Okay, today is the day I start going to the gym. Yes, simple. I go in, I sign up, and I become strong. Yeah.
Hello, welcome to Power Gym.
Hi. I want to join.
Great! Is it your first time here?
Yes, but I am strong.
Okay,
We will see.
first we need your details. And you must not be loud.
Okay, I will try. Everyone says that. Wow. This is serious. Oh. That was loud. You are new? Yes? Good. Start with light weights. How light? With this. That is very light. Do it 10 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you okay? Yes, I guess. Morning, everyone. New guy? Yes. Don't worry. Gym is easy. Wow. That looks heavy.
I heard that.
I am sorry.
Please be careful.
Try again, Noah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Thank you. You are welcome.
So, are you joining?
Yes, I think so. Welcome to the gym life. Will I get stronger today? No. Tomorrow? Also, no. Next week? Slowly, but yes. If you like our videos, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below.